I love mechanical watches, but I'll be the first to admit that there are times when you need a bit more from what's strapped on your wrist. In such moments, a smartwatch becomes the best option out there. And if you're looking for a great one, you can't go wrong with the Tissot T-Touch Connect Solar. The Tissot T-Touch Connect Solar represents a completely new package for the technology Tissot introduced more than 20 years ago. That all starts with a titanium case which feels as light as a feather on the wrist. This helps tremendously with its overall wearability, as the watch is 47mm in diameter with a 60mm lug-to-lug. I know, that seems a bit large, but when you start going through the list of all the features inside this mini computer, it begins to make sense. These features are all accessed through Tissot's T-Touch system, which is unlocked by long pressing the button on the side of the watch located at 2 o'clock. The information for each feature is then displayed on a colored screen on the bottom half of the dial. Once unlocked, you can then access weather-related data by touching Meteo, a compass by touching navigation, and timing functions by touching timing. If you touch activity, you have access to a step counter and an altimeter. Finally, by touching connected, you gain access to notifications from any Bluetooth connected phone. Navigation within each of these features is done by using the crown and buttons located on the right-hand side of the watch. And to fine-tune your experience within these different features, you can access the watch's settings by touching T-Touch. Now, to really bring home the ruggedness of the Tissot T-Touch Connect Solar, the brand also included a ceramic lumed compass bezel, tough as nails sapphire crystal is used for the dial, and should you plan on getting a bit wet during your travels, the watch is rated to 100 meters of water resistance. Furthermore, its solar charging capability means the watch is constantly being topped off every time it's in light. Altogether, these features and specifications make the Tissot T-Touch Connect Solar a great everyday companion for anyone with an adventurous spirit. It's a smartwatch that has a plethora of useful features, with many available whether paired with a smartphone or not. That autonomy means you can leave your phone behind and simply explore the world around you. Who wouldn't be up for that?